Learn cleaning hacks with baking soda and vinegar that will blow your mind. In this video, we're diving into the wonderful world of household tips using two pantry staples, baking soda and vinegar. These versatile ingredients aren't just for baking. They can work wonders in keeping your home clean and fresh. Let's get started. All-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Add a tablespoon of baking soda and shake well. This simple solution becomes a powerful all-purpose cleaner, perfect for wiping down surfaces, cleaning glass, and even tackling bathroom grime. Deodorize your fridge. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors in your fridge. Place an open box of baking soda in the back of your refrigerator to neutralize and absorb unwanted smells. Remember to replace it every few months for optimal freshness. Unclog drains. Got a slow-draining sink? Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let it sit for a few minutes, then flush with hot water. This simple chemical reaction can help break down clogs and keep your drains flowing smoothly. Clean microwave and oven. Cleaning the microwave or oven doesn't have to be a chore. Create a paste with baking soda and water, apply it to the interior surfaces, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wipe away the grime effortlessly, leaving your appliances sparkling clean. Freshen Up Carpets. Sprinkle baking soda liberally on your carpets before vacuuming. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes to absorb odors. Vacuum as usual, and you'll be left with not only a clean carpet but also a fresher smelling room. Remove carpet stains. For carpet stains, create a paste with equal parts baking soda and water. Gently rub the paste onto the stain, let it dry, and then vacuum. This method works wonders on a variety of stains, from coffee spills to muddy footprints. DIY fabric softener. Skip the commercial fabric softeners and opt for a natural alternative. Add half a cup of white vinegar to your laundry during the rinse cycle. It helps soften clothes, reduce static, and eliminate any lingering odors. Clean dishwasher. Even your dishwasher needs a little love. Place a cup of vinegar in a dishwasher-safe container on the top rack and run a hot water cycle. This helps remove built-up soap scum and mineral deposits, keeping your dishwasher in top shape. And there you have it, a handful of household tips using the dynamic duo of baking soda and vinegar. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly. If you have any other tips or tricks with these pantry staples, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more household hacks, and share it with friends who might need these tips. Until next time, and happy cleaning.